Alright, just need to turn the right signal. Okay. Alright, now left one. Windshield wipers. Alright. Oh man. Oh, let's do the back turn signals. Back turn signal. Alright, other one. Alright, brake lights. Brake lights. Alright. Let's see, tires. Okay. Wait a minute. Doing the tread. What else? Front back bumper. Hitch. The bed. Rear window. Wipers. Side mirrors. Side mirrors. Oh, headlights. All right. Okay, I need to get over here. I need you to get over. How about the lights in the bed? Huh? No, I did that already. Yeah, I need to get over there. I'll keep the. As soon as you get in, I'll give you this, and then we'll.
Just give me what?
No, as soon as you get in here, I'll give you the camera.
What's that? An 8-foot bed, Phil?
6. Driver window, passenger window, or driver side back window, passenger window, passenger on the side.
Safety belts?
Back window. Yep. Safety belts. Here, Joe. Hold it. It's already on. So you just gotta hold it. When I start.
Okay. What do I push?
No, nothing. Nothing. Just hold it. Just hold it on the speedometer.
Wait a minute now.
I gotta go up to 25 miles an hour.
How come I can't see the speedometer?
Right there. It's got two different speed. It's got two speedometers, Sam. One there and one there.
Which is the one over there?
They both got. There's two of them.
How do I get past the steering wheel?
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. Now you gotta keep that on there. I gotta go up 25. Wait a minute. Let me go over here. Okay. Let me get steering wheel up. All right.
Look, yeah, I got it now, Bill. It's a rough one to do.
Yeah. Now we're going to make a U-turn.
Yeah.
Got to show the steering wheel. Back up a little bit on the steering wheel. It's like a K-turn type. So you can see the steering works.
See it come back and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to do that on the left side too?
On the left side.
Got it. We need fucking gas already? Oh, that's me with a safety belt.
No, the seatbelt. Seatbelt. Alright, that's it.
Okay, make sure you guys do the speedometer off.
Yep, that's it.